What is up, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing? It is probably like 9:30, almost 10 o'clock, as 10:27 is what I'm getting yelled at right now. I am in front of Walmart, as you guys can probably tell. Where's it at? Right there. It's a little blurry right now, but I am in front of Walmart, and this is where we're gonna start our video out today. As you guys can tell by the thumbnail, the $20 Walmart challenge. That is what we're doing today. It's something I really want to try with the channel, something that I haven't really seen done in the truck world before, but I see a lot of fishing guys do it. So huge shout out to Fishing with Norm and Lojo Fishing. I love watching y'all's videos. If y'all end up watching this, that's amazing. You guys are the best. We're gonna get to it. $20. I've got $20 to spend. We're gonna go into Walmart and see what I can do for $20 to try and do to the truck. I'm thinking, I mean, obviously you guys know I just did the wheel lights. We've got the demon eyes and stuff, but you know, aside from all of that, what truck mod that would be cool to see or just cool to pull off or something for 20 bucks. So it could be rock lights, it could be interior, it could be a flagpole and a flag. I mean, anything for 20 bucks. So the only way, I don't know how this video is gonna go. It might turn out good, it might turn out not, I don't know, but we're gonna have some fun and try it out. I've got my beautiful girlfriend in the truck with me. We're gonna run inside to Walmart, right behind the camera here, and see what we can figure out. So that's the goal, no more than $20. You guys get the gist. Let's run inside and hopefully figure something cool out.
That's what I'm talking about.
This is turning out to be harder than I expected. So currently we're trying to decide now what we should try and spend with our $20. Not on colored solo cups. No, it's not in our $20 budget. If I can't figure anything else, then maybe we're gonna cover the truck in solo cups apparently. I'm thinking some kind of lights. That's the, we're not doing Halloween stuff either, no. Leave some comments below. These are videos that I'm trying to do for you guys, something fun that I can go try and do. Leave some comments below with some ideas, but we're gonna keep looking around. Come into the houseware section. There should be lights over here or something that we can find. Some kind of cheap lights. We could cover the truck in lampshades. Look, lampshades. I might have just, I think I have a plan. I think we might run with this. Obviously we just did the wheel lights and the demon eyes, so we've got exterior lights covered on the truck right now. New plan, $20 interior light Walmart challenge. Obviously we gotta stay away from the automotive section, but we're gonna find for 20 bucks the coolest thing that we can put inside the truck for lighting. She just found some pineapple interior lights. That might be what we have to run with. They're like $5.88, so $6. We could get a bunch of these, like a lot of these. So we're gonna keep this. I'm gonna hold this with me, but let's keep looking around and see what we can find. I don't think this is really what we're looking for. They've got like deck lights and stuff, like Christmas lights, so that's kind of cool. Like a Christmas light. Oh, we need balls. You like balls? Maybe I'll cut that out. Look, 3M. Look at that, right there. They've got like 3M strips of LED lighting.
Oh, you could put these around your wheel.
Oh, interesting.
Here, these.
200 count. I actually have a video of those on the truck. My Christmas light video, shout out to Amar. Christmas light video, we killed the battery. Hello, Amar.
Hello.
All right, this is the electrical section. I don't know if there'd be any lights over here. Bunch of zip ties though, those are always great to have. I don't think we're gonna need any extension cords. Doorknob? Replace the doorknobs on the truck? Just for the hell of it, let's go take a look at the auto section and see what they, at least what they offer for lighting, just so we can get an idea. So you've got all your replacement bulbs. We could really start doing like reviews and stuff on this. Of course, the automotive section has your typical, you know, plug and play into the lights and stuff. They got I guess all they have is red over here. My kind of place. They got those. They've got the little Bluetooth underglow for the seats, all your aftermarket bulbs and whatnot. They've even got like light bars and stuff in here. Look at that. Wow. Walmart's stepping it up. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do some $30 Walmart light bar reviews. That'd be kind of cool. I guess this is, I don't know, what are these? Rope lights? Indoor, outdoor use? That might be interesting.
I like the pink.
Pink? This is something kind of cool. Mini rope lights? Wonder what those, they don't have like a little,
hold on,
what they look like.
Can we go old school?
We're not doing lava lamp.
Why?
I'm thinking, I mean, if we don't count tax, we can go $1 over budget. We can get I think for 20 bucks we can get some of these, but I don't know if this comes with like a light, like a battery source or anything. You can always open it and find out. Look, wow, see it's on here. Well, I mean,
Well, you do have a plug.
last time I tried to use the plug, I killed my battery because we were running Christmas lights. I don't think that's the way to go. Let's do white. Let's do white. We've got it. We figured it out. This is what we're gonna do. This one's gonna be more funny than anything. Joey has them, and I've seen a lot of other people on Instagram getting and you guys have seen it in some of my videos, the Rolls Royce lights on the roof of the vehicles. And a lot of truck guys are doing aftermarket ones now. You can buy the kits for $300 or $400, $800, whatever the hell it is, where you get the Rolls Royce style lights on the roof of your vehicle. So what we're gonna do today for 20 bucks is we're gonna make our own version of the Rolls Royce Starry Nights. It's like 11 o'clock at night and we're in Walmart, so I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow at Magnum Collision, where we're gonna install the lights into the truck. Actually, we might do it tonight because we need to be able to see it. These right here, they've got 3 different colors. They've got like this reddish, this kind of turquoise green or whatever the hell it is, and the white. Obviously, I think we're gonna go with the white. Mint, excuse me. 15 bucks. 15 bucks for those. For these, 15 bucks. That's definitely within our 20 bucks. And then obviously I don't really want to ruin the headliner, so we're just gonna go buy some like $5 tape or something to tape these to the roof. And we're gonna make our own Rolls Royce lights tonight. So we're gonna run and grab some tape and I'll see you guys back at the truck. I want this to be known that this was a $20 challenge, and every bit of this was going to meet the $20 challenge criteria, except we make it to the tape aisle.
Don't look at me like that.
I'm gonna look at you however I want to. We come over to the tape aisle and let's see, we got $2.97 for tape. That would work. $1.92 for tape because we got $5 to spend.
No.
A lot of these tapes would work, but what does she come over here and see? The one thing that she just absolutely has to have to make this work is the tape that's gonna put us over. I guess we're not gonna include tax on this. She has to have the glow-in-the-dark tape to go with our lights today. So apparently the $5 glow-in-the-dark tape is coming along for the ride. Can you see the glowing? Is it glowing? I think it's glowing.
It works
Can you see, does it work that way?
No.
Okay, now I will see you guys back at the truck.
A few moments later.
Okay, so back in the truck. Because of the glow-in-the-dark tape, we are a little bit over, but for the sake of the video, who cares? So we're $21 and some change. It doesn't matter. We'll make this work. So we are going to...
You just cleaned your truck.
It's okay. We're gonna unbox these and we're gonna install our Rolls Royce Starry Night lights tonight for you guys. Cue the cinematic installation.
Where is the plug?
Right on the bottom.
have to say for yourself?
I don't even know at this point. That's actually pretty, I mean, there's your Rolls Royce lights. You got like 10 lights in there. You can see it through the back tent too, which is pretty, I'm actually pretty surprised. You know, you got your light from the street light, but then you got your lights in there. That's kind of cool. Is this illegal? I think this is illegal to ride around like this. The lights aren't, this is just, I mean, if I get pulled over tonight, I'm just gonna tell the cop these are our Rolls Royce lights. I mean, that's all I'm gonna tell him. I don't even know what to, I genuinely, like I don't even know what to say. There's not a lot of times I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say right now. I can't tell if this is one of the greatest ideas we've ever had or one of the worst. I can't really tell.
I think it's romantic.
We're just coming up with all kinds of great stuff tonight. If you guys kind of like this video, just this fun, stupid, impromptu video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. Leave some comments below about, you know, what else you guys might want to see. Like I had said previously in the video, I like doing this fun stuff. It's not as serious all the time, and you get to see a side of me that not a lot of you get to see all the time. So this is pretty cool, actually.
This is so embarrassing.
There goes my phone. My phone just disappeared forever.
Thank God.
Embarrassing. Look at that.
They're staring so hard.
we drove by a big truck and they're laughing so hard at us. Hey, what's up, buddy? Hey, I actually know that guy. What's up, Rory? Oh, he just pulled out in front of somebody too. That's so crazy. So you guys deserve a little bit of an explanation. That video kind of just went all over the place right there at the end. So we were leaving with the lights on in the truck. It was really embarrassing. We had a lot of people looking at us. It was really funny though. And we're going to leave and we see this big truck pull out and these guys are just like laughing at us, staring at us as we're driving by. And I didn't know it was somebody that I used to work with. So he pulls up and that's us yelling at him out the window like, hey, what's up, buddy? And he pulls around us and almost hits somebody. So huge shout out to Rory. I'm glad you made it home safe. At least I think so last night. That was definitely a really fun video to make. If you guys like these kind of videos, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and leave some comments below. I like to have fun with some of my videos. Whether that was a good idea or great idea, we just had a lot of fun last night and it was something I wanted to bring you guys along and share with you guys. So if you like that kind of stuff, make sure to let me know. I do have merch, new colors, and I have hoodies on the way at some point as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. New mods on the way as always, and always getting this bread. So I'm gonna leave you guys with the outro. Let's get this bread.